In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Edge bar in Microsoft Edge in just a few easy steps. This feature allows you to have quick access to web information, widgets, and more, all while you browse. Let's dive right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. If you've just installed it, or if you're already a regular user, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You're going to see three dots stacked vertically. That's your main menu, also known as the More button. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to all sorts of features and settings in Edge, so it's a handy spot to get familiar with if you aren't already. Once you've clicked on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you're looking for the Settings option. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Give that a click. This will open the full settings page in a new tab where you'll see various options that allow you to customize and optimize your browsing experience. Now, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several categories of settings. In this list, you're going to click on Appearance. This section helps you personalize the look and functionality of your browser, which is especially useful if you enjoy an organized and efficient browsing experience. With the Appearance settings open, the next thing we want to do is find the option for Copilot and Sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you're getting closer to unlocking more convenience in your browsing journey. Within the Copilot and Sidebar settings, you will see another option labeled Enable Edge Bar. This feature acts like a multitasking helper, integrating useful tools and information directly in your browser sidebar. Now, let's enable it. To do that, find the toggle switch. It will be on the right side of the Enable Edge Bar option. If it's off, that means it needs your attention. Just click the toggle to turn it on. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled the Edge bar, bringing a bit more efficiency and fun to your online tasks. This feature is perfect for those who love having everything they need in a single spot without the need to switch between several tabs or programs. Remember, the Edge bar's versatility extends beyond mere convenience. It's designed to support more dynamic browsing by providing instant access to quick insights, making your time spent on the web not just easier, but also smarter. Enjoy exploring this feature and see how it can make your everyday online activities a little bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy browsing!